I pour a handful of salt into a new laundry liquid. I'm thrilled with the results. Into a bowl, I pour 2 scoops of laundry liquid. Next, I add about 6 tablespoons of dish soap. It has properties that alter the surface tension of water and create foam. The next ingredient is regular table salt. I add 1 tablespoon to my mixture. Salt is a natural cleaning and disinfecting agent. Finally, I add a cup of vinegar. It has cleaning properties and neutralizes odors. I mix everything and transfer it into a spray bottle. This is my go-to solution for special cleaning tasks. It works great on limescale buildup. When I use it to clean the toilet, there's no unpleasant smell from the drain anymore. It also removes yellow stains from ceramics and toilet seats. The polishing properties are evident when cleaning the bathroom sink. It shines beautifully right away. This cleaner is highly efficient and effective. I've thrown away harsh and harmful detergents. This one is gentle and cleans just as thoroughly. Add fabric softener to vinegar, and the results will surprise you. Start with a bottle of vinegar. It removes grease, limescale, and other stubborn stains. Add a capful of your favorite fabric softener to the bottle. Shake well to mix. Next, take a large bowl and pour in the vinegar softener mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of dish soap for enhanced cleaning power, and mix again. In a small pot, boil 250 milliliters of water with a generous amount of cloves. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties. Once the clove water cools, strain it into the bowl with the other liquids. Pour the final mixture into a container with a dispenser using a funnel. This homemade cleaner is ready to tackle your bathroom, removing limescale and deposits while leaving surfaces shiny. It's also perfect for cleaning countertops and sinks. Add a splash to a bucket of water for mopping floors, leaving them clean and refreshed. The mixture not only eliminates greasy stains and limescale, but also fills the room with a pleasant, fresh scent. It's a simple, affordable, and effective solution for your cleaning needs. Squeeze toothpaste into a bottle, and the results will surprise you. In just a few minutes, you'll create a solution to your problem. Start with a plastic or glass bottle. Squeeze about 2 tablespoons of any toothpaste into it. Then add about 50 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar dissolves deposits, greasy stains, and bacteria while preventing moisture. Finally, pour in warm water to help dissolve the toothpaste and create a uniform mixture. Seal the bottle and shake it well. Your spray is ready. Use it on windows, mirrors, or other surfaces. Wipe with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free shine. This spray works wonders in cars too, especially on interior windows prone to fogging. It removes smudges, reduces fogging, and keeps your surfaces clean. A natural, effective solution for cleaning windows in humid areas, bathrooms, or car interiors. This simple mixture does wonders to eliminate streaks, residue, and moisture issues. Dip a candle in fabric softener. Everyday products can transform into something entirely different. Take a pan and toss in 3 regular white candles, preferably ones with long wicks. Heat the pan until the candles melt. Next, remove the wicks from the melted candles. Take a small glass container and pour in the melted wax. Then add your favorite scented fabric softener. The next ingredient is cloves. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties and a pleasant, intense scent. Add the cloves to the glass container with the wax and wait for them to sink. Then, add the wick from the melted candle, measuring its ideal height. Hold it in place with a toothpick or clip so it doesn't fall inside. Once the wax hardens, remove the toothpick and add the cloves again. Your candle is ready. Finally, light it and place it where you spend most of your time. This natural candle will fill your home with the scent of your favorite fabric softener and cloves while helping to get rid of unwanted insects. You'll never throw away an orange peel again. Grab a few oranges. Their peel has valuable properties. Orange peels contain natural oils used in various products. Peel the oranges and save the skins. Next, take a medium-sized jar and place the peels inside. The next key ingredient is vinegar, which has natural properties. Pour enough vinegar to fully cover the peels and seal the jar tightly. Store the jar in a dark place for 2 weeks. Over time, the mixture will blend perfectly, leaving a pleasant citrus scent. After that, pour the liquid into a spray bottle, and you're ready to use it. This natural mixture is antibacterial and perfect for cleaning surfaces like windows and shower doors, leaving them shiny and streak-free without any harsh chemicals. I add dish soap to my detergent, and it's so surprisingly effective that I want to share it with you. Mix 1 part dish soap with an equal amount of regular vinegar. Then, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Vinegar has antibacterial properties, and the salt helps remove residues. Next, add a small amount of water and mix everything until well combined. Pour the mixture into a plastic bottle using a funnel, and close it with a dish soap cap for easy dispensing. Test it on a few dishes. This combination is perfect for cleaning dishes. Glass will be crystal clear and porcelain dishes will shine. Washing and cleaning dishes has become much easier with this new mixture, cutting cleaning time in half. No one in my family uses regular dish soap anymore. This enhanced soap with salt and vinegar is 100 times better. Soak mothballs in fabric softener. This trick will save you money. You won't be spending as much anymore. Thanks to this, your home will never be the same again. All you need are mothballs. A small package of such balls is enough. Take out just 3 balls. Take a piece of paper towel, place the mothballs on it. Wrap them and crush them with a kitchen hammer into a fine powder. Transfer the crushed mothballs into a large bowl, one that you use for cleaning or laundry. Pour in a liter of warm water. Stir the powder to dissolve. Add 150 milliliters of vinegar. Pour in 2 measures of concentrated fabric softener. This will make its pleasant scent more intense. Add 3 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid. And that's it. Just pour in another liter of water. Pour the mixture into a large 2-liter bottle. Make a hole in the cap. This will make using the liquid easier. This liquid is the best floor cleaner, and it's true. It cleans, sanitizes, and disinfects. It also leaves a pleasant scent, but the biggest advantage of this liquid is the mothballs. Thanks to them, the mixture repels all insects, not just moths. The scent of these balls also repels bedbugs, silverfish, and even mice. You no longer have to buy expensive floor cleaners. You also don't have to buy additional products to repel insects and rodents. This homemade liquid is enough. You can use it on all the floors in your home, especially on the bathroom floor, kitchen floor, or by the front door. I'm sure this liquid will be most useful to you.